Coaching and mentoring. The learning objectives for this course are coaching and mentoring, the objectives of coaching and mentoring, the types of coaching, the parallels between coaching and mentoring, the difference between coaching and mentoring, the cans and cannots of mentoring, and the different types of coaching. Coaching is the process of improving the performance of an individual or team in a specific skills area. Coaching helps to unlock the natural ability to learn and achieve the path of success. Mentoring, on the other hand, is the process of identifying and nurturing of potential for an individual. Mentoring can be a long-term relationship where targets may change, but they are always set by the learner. Here are some of the objectives of coaching and mentoring. Achieve efficient results, either individually or in teams. Help individuals gain clarity in their thinking and commitment. Challenge and help individuals to change limited beliefs. Help managers to become a source of support rather than a threat. Identify and solve problems. Make decisions, implement changes, and overcome obstacles. There are a few different types of coaching. Personal or life coaching is a collaborative, solution-focused, results-oriented, systematic process. Executive coaching is usually focused on senior management level and helps with exploring business-related topics. Group coaching refers to coaching a number of individuals, either to achieve a common goal within the group or to create an environment where individuals can co-coach each other. And corporate or business coaching focuses on supporting an employee, either as an individual or as part of a team and or organization to achieve improved business performance. There are some parallels between mentoring and coaching. Both mentoring and coaching take place independently of line managers. They are open, honest relationships between the mentor or coach and their protege. A mentor or coach is an accountability partner who works in their protege's best interests. They will bring a new approach to either a specific skill or even an entire career. Neither mentoring nor coaching is about teaching, instruction, or telling somebody what to do. The role of mentors and coaches, instead, is to ask the protege the right questions to promote greater self-awareness and more informed decision-making. The mentoring or coaching process evolves over time. The aims are not inflexible, but may change as the protege reaches the set goals and learns new behavior. The process continues until everybody is satisfied that the objectives have been reached. There are some differences between mentoring and coaching. Mentoring is an indefinite relationship-based activity with several specific but wide-ranging goals. But mentoring does not have to be a formal process. The mentor, rather, is a facilitator who works with either an individual or a group of people over an extended time period. The agenda is open and continues to evolve over the longer term. Mentoring seeks to build wisdom, the ability to apply skills, knowledge, and experience to new situations and processes. The focus is on meeting very specific objectives within a set period. Coaching is mainly concerned with performance and the development of certain skills. It usually takes place on a one-to-one basis and has a very specific purpose. There is usually a planned program with a much shorter time frame than in mentoring, so the learning goals are usually determined in advance. The can and cannots of mentoring. Mentoring can increase individual and team commitment to an organization and its goals. It can help improve communication within the organization. It can help to change organizational culture for the better. Mentoring can allow individuals to gain a greater insight into the organization's workings. Mentoring can give individuals the chance to meet different people within the organization and to network. And mentoring can improve levels of professional success. On the other hand, mentoring cannot succeed unless clear objectives are agreed upon in advance. It cannot succeed unless there is an agreed plan of action. And mentoring cannot act as a replacement for conventional training. Let's look at the cans and cannots of coaching now. Coaching can provide individuals and teams with opportunities for gaining new skills and personal development. It can offer learning opportunities geared to individual needs, and it can encourage a positive attitude towards learning. Coaching can provide flexibility in the learning process, and it can allow proteges to select what and how they learn. Coaching can improve levels of professional success. On the other hand, here are some things coaching cannot do. Coaching cannot affect changes unless clear, measurable goals are set in advance. Coaching cannot benefit the protege unless there is support from senior managers too. And coaching cannot succeed unless both the coach and the protege are fully committed to the coaching program. Performance management through mentoring and coaching can include planning and commitment, checking progress and providing needed interventions to keep performance on track, and rewarding and development planning to ensure that performance remains on track towards goals. Let's look at some of the benefits of coaching and mentoring. It's a chance to discuss issues, blockages, and/or concerns in career development. It gives the opportunity to challenge thinking and be challenged in return. There is a benefit of having someone other than friends, colleagues, or tutors available to share difficult situations. And you can gain insight into management processes. It helps you make sense of feedback from others and decide how to deal with it. It can help you become more comfortable in dealing with people from unfamiliar backgrounds. It can be helpful to have someone else to act as a conscience or a guide for you. And it can help you learn to cope with the formal and informal structure of your future. So what are some of the key takeaways for coaching and mentoring? Coaching is the process of improving the performance of an individual or team in a specific skills area. Mentoring, on the other hand, is the process of identifying and nurturing the potential of an individual. Both help individuals gain clarity in their thinking and commitment and plan and take advantage of potential new opportunities. Neither mentor nor coaching is about teaching, instruction, or telling somebody what to do. The process continues until everybody is satisfied that the objectives have been achieved. It helps make sense of feedback from others and decide how to deal with it. It can provide individuals and teams with opportunities for gaining new skills and personal development. And it can help people deal with people from an unfamiliar background. And lastly, there's a benefit to being given the opportunity to challenge thinking and be challenged in return. Let's take a quiz to test your knowledge. Which of the following statements is true? A coach is another word for mentor. A coach is an expert in problem solving and provides recommendation. A coach focuses on achieving goals and objectives. Or a coach must be a role model. C, a coach focuses on achieving goals and objectives. What is mentoring? A, the act of advising someone with less tenure or experience. B, listening to a new employee's personal troubles. C, the act of leading a team of people. Or D, none of the above. The answer is C. Mentoring is the act of leading a team of people. What is coaching? A, coaching is providing suggestions and encouragement to help workers grow and improve their job competence. B, coaching is a process of helping others acquire a job-related skill. C, coaching is teaching classes or seminars. Or D, none of the above. The answer is A. Coaching is providing suggestions and encouragement to help workers grow and improve their job competence. Which of the following is a correct statement about coaching? Open mind, open heart, open hands, or all of the above? All of the above. Which option best describes mentoring? A, to provide counsel or guidance. B, to instruct or train. C, to decide the behavior is effective. Or D, none of these. A, to provide counsel or guidance. Which of the following best describes the distinction between coaching and mentoring? A coach tells while a mentor sells. B, a coach focuses on past experiences revolving around personal issues, while a mentor is an expert problem solver. C, a coach asks questions while a mentor advises and shares experience. Or D, a coach is a formal session while a mentor is an informal session. The answer is C, a coach asks questions while a mentor advises and shares experience. In coaching, a question that we try to avoid starts with what, how, when, or why. Why questions are the ones we try to avoid in coaching. Which of the following is a wrong statement about mentoring? Knowledgeable, respectful, sensitive, or impatient? Impatient is the word that does not describe a mentor. Coaching is about A, defining a problem, B, asking questions, C, giving the right answers, or D, giving an expert view. The answer is B, asking questions. Which of the following is an example of mentoring behavior? A, counseling, B, coaching, C, giving encouragement, or D, all of the above? All of these things can be described as mentoring behavior. So the answer is D, all of the above. Thank you very much.